Shalom Chavarim, this is Richard Solomon, and this will be a demonstration, or if you like, a tutorial, on how you use a free iOS app called Mindline for Judaic instruction and for staff development. Mindline is an app that enables the Judaic student or teacher to create mind maps or visual brainstorming clusters around a variety of different concepts. I'll give you an example of how that works. But before I do that, let me just suggest that I'm making an assumption that you have an iOS device, such as an iPhone, an iPad, or an iPad mini. This is my iPad mini. And you know how to download the free app called Mindline. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to tap on Mindline, and I'll give you an example of a mind map I made related to the topic of Judaic studies. So here are topics in Judaic studies, and one topic might be Israel, another one would be Jewish history, and another might be the Chagim. And then we have subtopics of culture of Israel, religions of Israel, technological inventions developed in Israel, and then we have three different categories for Jewish history: ancient, Middle Ages, modern, and we have three different examples of the Chagim. We have Rosh Hashanah, Yom Kippur, and Sukkot. So let me show you how I make that. What we're going to do is, you see these three lines over here, we're going to tap on that, and we can either create a file, open a file, save a file, create a mind snapshot, or contact us. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a file. Okay, so let's click create a file. And all you do is you tap or write in here a concept. So let's go and we'll just say Judaic studies topics. Okay. And you see over here where you have the plus, just tap on that, and that then creates a subtopic, or a child if you like. And let's say one of the subtopics would be Israel. So let's write Israel. And if you want to create more subtopics, you just hit the plus sign again, which I'll do. And we could, for Israel, we can have ancient Israel. Isn't this simple? And another subtopic might be the Middle Ages. See how this works? I'm certainly your students will find this very simple. And then the third subtopic might be, let's say, modern Israel, okay? And that's basically how you do it. If you want to create another topic aside from Israel, you just hit this plus over here. Okay, so hit the plus. And let's say we want this topic to be Jewish history. So let's write down Jewish history. Right, and then we create the subtopics by clicking the plus. Now, when we're finished, we click done. Okay, and let's go back up here and tap on that. And what you can do is you could save the file, right, by clicking over here, save the file, or you can take a snapshot of the picture. So let's do both. Let's first save the file, okay, and we'll call this file, let's see, we'll call this Judaic studies We'll call this mind map. Okay, mind map. Okay, and then we hit confirm. So that's how we save it. If we want to take a snapshot, you just go over here, and you see where it says export right up here? See? So you click on export, and it's exporting to your photo album. So let me show you that. So if I go to my photo album, where my photos are, and we look at the last one over here. Let's get to the last one we have. This is the one that we just made. And if I want to be able to share that with others, I just click on the button where it says share, and I could share that with any of these different apps, including Gmail. So let's get out of that, but just show you what that is about, and let's tell you what we've said. So what we have said is that the app called Mindline is a very simple app that could be used for brainstorming or mind mapping with your Judaic students, and you can also share it with your staff. Thank you so very much.